Whenever you are looking through a window, you can move your head to see different views of the scene behind the window. This can help you to get a better understanding of the scene map, and you can track any object you want. But when you are looking at a 3D scene on a screen, it is not the same, and nothing happens when you move your head. So it does not feel natural, and you don't feel like you are really looking at a physical scene through the screen. Probably it would be more effective and intuitive for users to see the screen as a window and see different views of the 3D scene inside it just by changing their head position in relation to the screen. On the left side of the screen, the user eye position changes, and on the right side of the screen, you see how the screen view should be changed based on the user's new eye location. We are exploring view-dependent head tracking systems designed to do just that. So tell me about the installation process.
It is pretty easy. You need a TrackIR. First you need to put the TrackIR sensor on your monitor. It would be better if you first find the middle point of your monitor and then put the TrackIR like this on your monitor. You should be careful that monitor should be perpendicular to Earth, and TrackIR should not be rotated in different directions. And then you just need to connect TrackIR to your computer by USB. The next part is here, the TrackIR reflection. To install it on your body, you need a baseball hat. You can simply install it like this. The next phase is the software calibration. You need this TrackIR software to calibrate the whole process. When you wear the hat, put the hat on your head, it starts to calibrate, find your head and show 3 small sensors on the screen and show your head position in here. You should be about, you should have a distance about, for example, 50 centimeters is good. So you just need to be, to have a distance about 50 centimeters to the monitor, is okay. And you just should be straight, looking to the TrackIR. And these 3 points should be like this. The center of these 3 reflectors should be TrackIR, and then you can, whenever you are ready, you can press the F12 button like this, and after pressing F12 button you can see that the TrackIR will be calibrated, and now I'm in the 0 point of the axis, X and Y axis, and now it can track my head movements. For example, I bring my head near, far, and rotate it to different directions, and it works. Yeah. That's the whole setup process. Okay, when you start the software, you can see your head place here. For example, when you go right or left, or you go move near the screen, far from the screen, you see the final view here. And if that was okay and the calibration process was successfully, then you can start the whole project. It is very easy to work. For example, now I'm concentrating on these avatars and just try to follow her with my head.
Now you can see that when I go far from the screen or go near to the screen, the fountain remains its original size, and just the screen borders will be smaller or bigger.
And I also can use mouse or keyboard to go to different directions. For example, now I'm using mouse and keyboard to see this restaurant, and then I can use my head tracking to see different side of it. Pretty easy. Yeah.
This idea also has been implemented using Microsoft Kinect, which, as you can see now, user does not need hats or any other sensors on his or her body. More comparison details about differences between TrackIR and Kinect have been discussed through the paper.